Welcome, everybody. NHL action. The Vancouver Canucks are taking on the Pittsburgh Penguins, and these are two teams dealing with some injury issues. Now, the Canucks are 20-17-9 on the year. They're 11-9-5 on the road. All right, they're 6-4 in their last 10 games. However, within the last 5 days, they lost two centers. Sutter and Sedin are both out indefinitely and will not be suiting up, so that's going to be a big loss. Now, the Penguins are 22-17-4. They're coming off a big home win against the Flyers, and in the last 10, they're 5-5, so they got to get over that hump. Also with injuries, left winger Kunitz and defenseman Warsofsky, they're questionable. They may not be suiting up tonight. As of 15 minutes ago, they were upgraded from doubtful to questionable, so we'll keep our eyes on that. And Fleury will be between the pipes for the Penguins. I like the Penguins with some momentum after that win against in-state rival Philadelphia. All right, the Greek has it opening up at Pittsburgh minus 180. Guess what? I don't like the money line in this. I want to get some bang for my buck. So the puck line, that's right, minus 1.5 goals, is paying back plus 160. All right. The Canucks just lost two centers. The Penguins are coming off a win. They're at home. I see a 3-1, a 4-1, or a 4-2 game. So I love the puck line. It's plus 160. NHL action. Pittsburgh Penguins on the puck line. Don't miss it.